Welcome to AI for Pharma, where AI drives pharmaceutical innovation. Founder and joint venture. Amish Vyas, co-founders and CEO, pharma professional with 30-plus years experiences in global MNCs, and Akshat Doshi, co-founders and CTO, AI specialist with experience at tech giants like Amazon. AI for Pharma is powered by Silver Touch Technologies, a public-listed IT firm with 29 years of expertise serving clients worldwide. Who we are. Our mission to harness AI to improve quality, optimize processes, and reduce costs in the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring patients receive high-quality, affordable, and timely products at AI for Pharma. At AI for Pharma, we bring together seasoned pharma experts with 29-plus years of global experience, AI specialists from top tech giants, and the support of a listed IT firm with 1,400-plus professionals blending industry knowledge and AI to transform pharma quality and efficiency. We focus on three key areas: improving quality, enhancing manufacturing efficiency, reducing human errors across processes, and making products more accessible globally. AI for Pharma offers a suite of AI-powered solutions designed for the pharmaceutical industry. From ChatGPT and ChatOrange for instant FDA insights, to Batchsmart for smarter manufacturing, LabelSmart for compliant packaging, and COA automation, our products are built to ensure quality, compliance, and efficiency across the pharma value chain. Introducing Batchsmart, an AI partner that transforms paper-based batch records into smarter, faster, and more compliant processes. Paper-based batch records are slow, error-prone, and costly, causing delays, compliance risks, and extra workload. Batchsmart is an AI tool for pharma that helping quality and manufacturing team, quickly analyzing data, detecting errors, speeding up releases, improving compliance, and boosting overall efficiency. Batchsmart automates BMR reviews, speeds approvals, and ensures compliance with real-time tracking, error checks, and customizable dashboards. Batchsmart helps QA teams by detecting BMR errors, reducing release delays, prioritizing batches, and highlighting training needs, ensuring faster, compliant releases. Batch release and QA teams get faster, error-free releases, while managers cut backlogs and strengthen compliance. Leaders gain unified data to monitor facilities, boost performance, and guide strategy. The Enterprise Dashboard gives a snapshot of company performance, showing completed and overdue batches, discrepancies, top products, and trends, helping leaders stay in control at a glance. The Plant Dashboard provides an at-a-glance view of plant-level variables. It helps with prioritization, key actions, and drilling down to specific batches or even BMR pages. The Product Dashboard is tailored for release teams. Get a quick overview of batches under review, summaries of deviations, and other key information, all customizable. Getting started with Batchsmart is simple. First, set up your master batch record, MBR, once. We can train your team, or our AI pharma experts can handle it all for you. Just validate and confirm. Select product from your MBR list. Scan your BMR. Upload your BMR and Batchsmart will process your complete uploaded BMR. Batchsmart automatically reviews them for errors, gaps, or deviations. Once processing is complete, batch releaser or QA manager or anyone with authority can review the batches, learn about all the discrepancies in the batch, and go to specific page of the batch to review the discrepancy. As pages process, Batchsmart color codes discrepancies for intuitive review. The red color for process or documentation errors. The yellow color for character recognition issues with adjustable sensitivity. The blue color for entries outside configured areas. AI for Pharma ensures data confidentiality. We mask company and product names and send only text and digits to our secure cloud, never full images. You get audit trails, authenticated access, and strong protection. Batchsmart Tires. Batchsmart offers 3 options: 1 for audits, Core for quick cost-effective checks, and Pro for full BMR analysis and oversight. Batchsmart 1, everything runs securely on our cloud, fully managed by our experts with 24/7 monitoring, automatic updates, and top-level data security, ideal for a hassle-free solution. Batchsmart Core, your data stays on your servers while our secure cloud powers AI processing and dashboards, giving you control with cloud efficiency. Batchsmart Pro, all storage, processing, and AI run on your servers, offering full independence, on-premise compliance, and complete customization. Batchsmart isn't just software, it's your digital partner in ensuring high-quality products, seamless processes, and constant compliance readiness. Join the future of pharma with AI for pharma.